Hello friends, today's question is the percentage of a marks obtained in different subjects by Ashok Kumar in an examination are given below. Draw a bar diagram to represent it. So we need to draw a bar diagram of it. So let's start solution. Now this is our graph and first is English. In English the marks obtained by Ashok Kumar is 85. So let's draw. So it is a bar diagram of English. Now the next is Hindi and the marks is 60. So let's draw. So it is a bar of Hindi. Now the next is Maths in which the marks is 35. It is a bar of Maths. Now the next is Science in which 50 marks obtained by Ashok. It is a bar of Science. Now the next is SST, Social Science, in which 70 marks obtained. It is Social Science. Now it is a bar diagram. Thank you.